545 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 545. Therefore, 545 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 17.880577427775 feet. So, in other words, 545 centimeters equals 17.880577427775 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.